What's up, y'all? Justin here. And I just realized in the last video I didn't really get to show the car much. So here's my whip. 2012 G37x on Swift springs. We got the full Takeda intake in the front, sitting on 19-inch ISR wheels. Tires are 255 35 19s. For exhaust, we are running the ISR single exit made for the 370Z. So if you want to see that install, go check out the last video before this. Yeah, I absolutely love this car. So enough talking. I know y'all curious to see how the exhaust sounds, so let's see. Alright, what's up? We out here about to do a couple speed passes. Looking good.
Sounds good. It's not obnoxious loud, but it's when you're hauling, you're hauling.
You can hear that and I can't hear.
Huh?
How do you hear the sirens? I can't hear shit in my car.
It's on the highway. I don't know. You're in the car. You're good over here.
Alright.
Ah, shit. Yep. Yep, let's get the fuck out of here.